Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you very much for being an electriker. I really appreciate that. Now, I have this timer here, DH48S. The brand really doesn't matter because there are quite many brands out there. Now, this timer, it's quite unique and good, so I thought I could share, maybe to show you how you can use it, probably if you encounter one. Now, this specific timer, if you've ever seen it, it is used especially if you want to switch on or off something at the exact time or at a specific time, okay? The reason why it is special because it has all the numbers, all the time in numbers. Say 1 hour and 40 minutes, 1 hour 50 minutes, 30 seconds, 30 milliseconds, 5 seconds, 5 milliseconds, 1 milliseconds, all that. Okay? Now, this, you could call it a delay, okay? Like delay timer. But the difference between, this is a delay timer, but the difference, this one also you could call it a delay timer, but the difference with this one that you could set a specific time. This timer, I have this GIC, you can set as low as 3 seconds to 30 hours, okay? But you cannot set maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes. No, you can't, okay? But you can this one. And the unique thing about it, maybe if you can confuse these dials. You see, it has 2 sets of digits, okay? So it has these 2 digits and these 2 digits. In the middle, that's where you have S for seconds, and then you have M for minutes, and you have H for hours. Now, if you set at H, the first here, these numbers here, they will represent hour. Then this one, they will represent minutes. So it will be 3 hours, 30 minutes. Now, if you move to minutes, you put M here. Now, these numbers, they will mean minutes, and this one, they will mean seconds. So this one will be 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay? Now, if you move to S, seconds, these numbers will mean seconds, and these will mean microseconds. So this will be 3 seconds, 30 microseconds. Okay? So, first, that's what you have to know. Now, there is something here. There is a drawing here to help you. This timer has got 2 contacts, normally open and normally close. Okay? Now, whichever you use, you can be counting time to break the circuit or counting time to make the circuit. So whichever you want, okay? Now, the other thing also, it has got gate and reset. That means the pause and reset. So I have a wider drawing here, which we can look at. You have normally closed, normally open here. And this gate is pause. So you can use a selector switch, which you can select to put it in a permanent position. You will pause the timer, and if you press reset, the timer go back to its original position and start counting again. Okay? All right. Now, I just want us to wire. If you can just, always pause the video and go through this. Okay? All right. Now, we have the base here. This is the base we want first. And then let us have our power supply. So we have got number 7 as our power supply. Okay, so, and number 7. And then we have number 8. So number 8 it supplies 6 and 5. 6 and 5, remember, are the contacts that power the load. Okay, or that power your control circuit. So here we just did a loop. Okay, now neutral is number 2, basing on our diagram here and the one I showed you before. Okay? And here we have a contactor which will act as our load. So we give A2. Okay, now that's not bad. Now we have these buttons here. So first we need to take number 6, contact number 6 to A1 of the contactor. Okay? Contact number 6 to A1 of the contactor. Okay, now so far so good. So we need to connect the pose. Now first, let us connect, the pose. The pose basing on our circuit, it's number 4. So we put this one at number 4. And then you put it one side. Okay. Now, contact number 3 is the reset. So you choose normally open. Okay. And so we have to short one side. All right, now that's a link which we are connecting together with the selector for the pose. And then as you see the diagram, the last wire goes to contact number 1. Okay, it goes to contact number 1. Now, our circuit looks all set. We've already put our pause selector switch and our reset button. And let's just put the timer on the base. Okay. Now I think I should reduce it to 2 seconds. Now that's 2 seconds, 30 milliseconds. On. Now that's 2 seconds, 30 milliseconds, and the contactor is on. Pause. Now that one is a reset. You see, every time you press a reset, the circuit goes off and it counts again. Now that's a pause. Let us do it again. That's a pause. You see, every time you turn the knob, you can pause the circuit. You pause the timer, and then the circuit will wait until you move the pause. Okay, so you see that the 2, you're able to see that 2 seconds, 30 milliseconds is the same you're seeing at the timer, as in the analog input. So the exact time you set, it's the exact time that appear on the screen. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Hope this video has been of great importance. And if it has been, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. If there is anything that you did not get in this video, don't feel free to leave your question in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. I'm sorry that my original audio it broke, so I just decided to add an audio. So yeah, but that was a small piece. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'm out.